Welcome to Pass Your Class CLEP Test Prep. Today we're going to work through some real introduction to Business Law CLEP exam practice questions. Pass Your Class has been helping students earn college credit through CLEP exams for over a decade, with an amazing 98% pass rate for students who use our study materials. In the next few minutes, we'll tackle challenging business law questions that test your knowledge of consumer protection, legal obligations, and property law. Let's get started. What other types of auto fraud transactions does the Consumer Protection Agency help people deal with? A. Insurance companies, car dealers, extended warranty companies, service contract companies, etc. B. Insurance companies, car dealers, extended warranty companies, car wash dealers, etc. C. Insurance companies, car dealers, extended warranty companies, service personnel, etc. D. Consumer Protection Agency only deals with auto purchases. E. None of the above. The correct answer is A. Insurance companies, car dealers, extended warranty companies, service contract companies, etc. Consumer protection agencies have broad authority to investigate and address various types of automotive-related fraud beyond just the initial vehicle purchase. This includes fraudulent practices by insurance companies that may deny legitimate claims, car dealers who engage in bait-and-switch tactics or misrepresent vehicle conditions, extended warranty companies that refuse to honor coverage, and service contract companies that fail to provide promised services. These agencies work to protect consumers from deceptive business practices throughout the entire automotive marketplace. An obligation is considered A ______. A. Right. B. Wrong. C. Promise. D. Duty. E. Restriction. The correct answer is D. Duty. In legal terminology, an obligation is fundamentally a duty that one party owes to another. This is a core concept in contract law and business relationships. When someone has an obligation, they have a legal duty to perform a specific act or refrain from doing something. For example, if you sign a contract to purchase goods, you have an obligation to pay the agreed price, while the seller has an obligation to deliver the goods as specified. Understanding obligations as duties is essential for grasping how legal relationships and responsibilities are structured in business law. The branch of law which deals with matters of property or ownership is A. Possession law. B. Property law. C. Probate law. D. Privatized law. E. None of the above. The correct answer is B. Property law. Property law is the area of law that governs the various forms of ownership and tenancy in real property and personal property. This branch of law covers both real property, such as land and buildings, and personal property, such as vehicles, furniture, and other movable items. Property law establishes the rights and responsibilities of property owners, including how property can be acquired, transferred, used, and disposed of. It also covers concepts like easements, liens, mortgages, and landlord-tenant relationships. This is distinct from probate law, which specifically deals with the distribution of property after death. Outstanding work completing these introduction to business law CLEP practice questions. I hope you found them helpful in preparing for your exam. Remember, these are just a small sample of what you might encounter on the actual test. If you want comprehensive preparation that covers all major areas of business law, including contracts, torts, criminal law, constitutional law, and regulatory compliance, Pass Your Class offers complete study guides with hundreds of practice questions, detailed explanations, and flashcards to help you master essential legal concepts. Visit PassYourClass.com today to get your introduction to business law CLEP study materials and join the 98% of students who pass their CLEP exams using our guides. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your CLEP journey.